In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can play GTA 5 MRP with controller the fastest method. The first thing that you want to do is to head over Steam. We are going to use Steam in order to use the controller functionality. Basically, just head over to settings, navigate through your controller settings, and then from here you can just go ahead and plug your controller and make sure that everything is working. Now with Steam, basically it will work with any controller that you have. It will then try to connect your controller to any game on the Steam itself. But the question is, how can you do that? Click on the add game option, click add a non-Steam game, and then you want to look for your FiveM application. So in my case, to make things easier, I'll just search for FiveM, wait for this to load in, and basically you can just navigate through the FiveM selection, click add selected program, and basically from there you then want to head over to your library and then once again search for FiveM. To make sure that everything works properly, once again navigate through properties, click controller, and you will be able to see your controllers right here perfectly working. And then click on it, click on the play button, and from there your controller will use the Steam functionality in order to work with FiveM. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.